You're watching the first news hour debate on Times Now Super Prime Time.
Dr. Bejon Mishra, TSR Subramaniam, former Cabinet Secretary, and Anirudh Bahal are on one side of this debate tonight. So we have a citizen voice, a former Cabinet Secretary of India, and the Chief of Cobra Post. And on the other side, we have Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson of the BJP and political advisor to BJP President Rajnath Singh, Manoj Jha of the RJD, and Dr. Ajay Alok of the JDU. He was very, very defensive yesterday about his party, and he went into attack mode versus Cobra Post. But he did absolutely nothing. Yesterday, you said we'll investigate, we are concerned. Ajay, you got cold feet. You did nothing. And now you'll tell me we'll set up some inner party committee to have an investigation. What's your excuse, Ajay?
Arnav, first of all, there is no excuse. I was in your program yesterday, and very categorically I said, the first thing we are going to do tomorrow in the morning is to serve them with a notice that they should give an explanation that why an action should be instituted against them. And if found guilty, we are going to be very punitive against them. It was my statement on your channel yesterday. And today in the morning, the first thing was done by my party was a similar thing what I had said on your channel yesterday. And today my national president's statement also came, in which he very categorically stated that if found guilty, they won't be left alone. The punitive action
No, you
will
said
take its course.
yesterday.
So what's the wrong? At
You
least
said
we are doing what we have said.
No, 1 second. You said yesterday that you were shocked. You were shocked, right, at the
Yes,
revelation.
we were shocked.
What were you shocked about?
Yes. We were shocked what was being shown on the TV.
And today
that
you're
the
not
member
shocked.
of parliament of our party is accepting
Today
money
you're not
and is
shocked
talking of
anymore.
money and for lobbying.
Life goes on today.
No, we are taking... See, the shockwave has gone. Now the time is to take action. We are taking
really?
actions now.
And where's the action? Have show cause notices been issued?
Obviously,
Has
the
an
first
inquiry
action is...
been ordered? It's 24
Yes.
hours since your members of parliament are caught red-handed like that. What action have you taken?
The first action what we have taken, none of the political parties have yet taken so far. We were the quickest to take the action. We have served them with the notice and to ask them to give their explanation within 24 hours. And we are doing our own internal inquiry and assessment. The authenticity of the videotape has to be verified in face
Convincing
of every
TSR
3 MPs.
Subramaniam is the political leader of the JDU, the general secretary of the JDU, sounding convincing to you?
Not really, because we have seen this before, we have seen the same syndrome before. So unless action takes place here, now we saw the outrage on allegations against Ganguly and against Tejpal. Why is there no outrage in the political circles? Because it's commonplace.
Exactly.
This is something they officially spend 30-40 lakhs to get in. They actually spend 20 crores. That money has to come back within 5 years, 5 times, 10 times. That 40 crores has to be parlayed into 400 crores. So we have really
You are
seen...
saying this is officially
I have seen
sanctioned.
any number
No,
of...
you are saying this is officially sanctioned corruption.
Assembly and operations.
No, you are saying this opficially sanctioned corruption. You are saying that the BJP and the JDU have allowed
like
their MPs to
it
make
looks
money.
like that. Officially, officially, everybody is permitted to do it.
Sudhanshu Trivedi?
Only thing is don't get caught. That's all. Don't get caught.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, is that the rule of the BJP? Go and make what money you want to, just don't get caught.
It is ridiculous to say that BJP is of this type of sort, because if you look at the probity in politics, one of the major landmark decisions taken are by the NDA government. Whether it was the anti-defection law,
No, I am talking about this, Mr. Trivedi. You are going into something else. I am talking about this particular episode.
Okay. Now
Yes.
I'm coming. First I was clarifying what was the tendency or what was the character of our party. Now coming to this. At one point of time, when this type of things have come, party has taken immediate and quick action on this. Right now, party, there are two things. One, they act as member of parliament, and the second, they act as a party. As far as the member of parliament is concerned, the parliament committee, ethics committee, and when it will come in their knowledge through an appropriate channel, they will take the action. But as far as party is concerned, party will call the CD and we will refer it to our discipline committee. They will look into the matter, and if something is
But you've
found,
already decided. You've already decided. You've already decided that Cobra Post cannot be trusted. You've already made up your mind. What
Yes,
this
of course.
inquiry is a sham.
Yes, of course. I would like to ask to Cobra Post, so many scams have happened in the last 3 or 4 years. How many exposures they have done? It seems that they are having a selective agenda. Huge scams all over the country, in the biggest in the history of the India. But not even a single expose. Not even a single sting operation against major Congress leader. The manner in which they have, yes, of course they have unearthed something against Gujarat government. But how many against the other governments? So definitely it is having some substantive point that Cobra Post or Tehelka or other things which are now coming in the public domain in so many other manners.
No, you are
that even their
you
brothers Tehelka were having the link with the builders and mining and other things.
I think
so they cannot be treated just but showing a
Mr.
glimpse on the
Trivedi,
television. You want that the action should be taken
Mr.
without going
Trivedi,
into
what's
the
my
proper
accusation today? And I think actually instead of me accusing you, Anirudh Bahel should respond to you. But before he responds, I want to say this. Yesterday, your party spokesperson tells me, Prakash Javadekar, 10 o'clock yesterday night, says, we will verify how the letters were written and we will inquire with the MPs, you take no action. And Ravi Shankar Prasad says that is Cobra Post, have their own agenda as well. Then he's asked, what is the agenda of Cobra Post? Ravi Shankar Prasad says there is a larger picture, but he doesn't want to recommend, he doesn't want to talk further. What is this larger? I challenge you today, Sudhanshu Trivedi. You either make a direct accusation or you don't talk in circles. Are you saying they are working for the Congress party? If you are saying so, have the courage to say so directly. And then I'll get Anirudh to respond to you. What do you mean by larger picture?
The larger picture for which Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad was referring.
Make it clear. What is the larger picture?
Is it not seems that so many big, the larger picture is such a huge scams happened all over the country and particularly by the UPA government, but they have not taken interest in even a single exposing any of the scams.
No, what are you insinuating?
They are exposing the other minor
what
things
are you
on
insinuating?
Government.
What
so
are you
it is
insinuating?
For the people of India to decide that they are working lopsidedly or they are working with a certain prejudice or they are working with a certain agenda.
No, you are again.
Whatever has happened in Gujarat, they were very much about the riots of the Gujarat. But in the last 1.5 years, so many riots in UP has happened. Had they carried out any sting operation?
I don't think it is the responsibility of any journalist to check. Am I targeting Congress and BJP? Are you going to take a weights and measures and then decide? Okay, I'll do one story that targets Congress, one story that targets the BJP. I reject that kind of assessment, but I think Anirudh can respond to you.
It is the responsibility of the people and the
Anirudh to Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP.
It is the responsibility of the people and responsible media should look into it.
Sir, the media doesn't need lectures from political parties, but Anirudh will respond to you.
Like Arnab, it's like this. Whenever any story happens, the affected party, so to speak, XYZ, it could be the BJP, it could be the Congress, they sort of lash out at the messenger or the media platform. So it is a given. So we have to just sort of glance at it and amuse ourselves that they are going the same route. And it's very, very unfortunate. They don't question the facts that you bring out ever. They'll never question the facts. They will go on your motivation. They will go on the fact, if it's a video, whether it is doctored or not doctored, they would ascribe motives to you. It happened during Operation Western as well, where they said that George Fernandez said we were ISI agents, they said we were Hinduja agents, they said we were Congress agents. So all that, nobody took that seriously and nobody takes it seriously now. I mean, none of them are saying that the MPs have been caught asking for money, for writing letters. I mean, how severe an assault on our democracy is that? I mean, is that something to be taken lightly? Is that something that they can absolve themselves by targeting Cobra Post? Cobra Post is a very small organization. We are not mammoth. We don't have 500, 600 people, media personnel working with us. We have half a dozen people working with us. And with half a dozen reporters, the kind of stories that we managed to do, I think are sort of, to me at least, they are very fascinating. And in fact, if you look at the money laundering story that we did, didn't that assault the whole system? Didn't that say that money laundering was happening? Didn't that sort of, in a way, sort of raise fingers on the governance of the day?
No, you think
didn't
Anirudh,
this story
Anirudh, can I
also
ask
go
you,
across party lines?
Anirudh, do you think?
Well,
No,
please,
Ajay,
please
one
do,
second.
please
First
do.
of all, let me make it clear here. You both the political parties here are trying to make Cobra Post out to be the accused. That strategy is not going to work.
That's
Both
right.
the BJP and the JDU are trying to make Cobra Post the accused, to put Cobra Post in the witness box, to make Anirudh Bahl the accused party here. I think he has done the expose rather than you do an expose on him. Bejon, what do you think? Is that strategy going to work?
Never. You see, they must learn to listen to people. They must learn to accept where they're going wrong. In my view, the MPs, the first thing they should do is they should themselves voluntarily resign. They should hand over the resignation letter to their party head and say, here is a resignation letter I'm giving you. I have faith in the party. Party will be unbiased.
Yeah.
Will bring the facts on the table. Will tell the public. You see, the problem is, these legislators, these elected representatives, they are going away from their responsibilities and duties. They are supposed to spend time in legislating. They are supposed to spend time in scrutinizing. They are supposed to be spending time to take care of the people's wishes and desires. Instead, they are busy writing letters, lobbying for companies, for corporate heads, doing all kinds of activities for which they are getting enriched, they are getting paid, it's on record. They should learn to accept. You see, the point is they don't want to accept that they have gone wrong, that they have got caught. And if you have got caught, you have to be bold enough to say that I have got caught and I am sorry, I am putting my resignation, I will never do it again. I assure you people that I will never make this happen again, and let the party decide what to do. Then all the inquiry, ethics committee of the parliament, all these mechanisms, let it get into working.
No, but they are
let them
hiding
find
behind
out the
those
truth,
mechanisms.
whether the Cobra Post is...
They are hiding behind those mechanisms.
That's what I'm saying.
I want
Absolutely.
to see Sudhanshu Trivedi.
What you have to say is that these...
I want to see if Sudhanshu Trivedi
You see,
and Ajay Alok,
these mechanisms...
if they must address the issue. The issue is this, that your party, first let's get Manoj Jha.
Can I come in?
No, let's get Manoj Jha. He's your political rival. I hope he will not score political points, but let's get him into this of the Manoj Jha of the RJD, and then we are going to open debate. And the question that I'm asking you, all the viewers of Newshour, is this. Here is a situation where principal political parties like the BJP, JDU, Congress, and the BSP also, I think, in this case, have their members of parliament caught on tape agreeing to write letters for a fictitious corporate company, many of them in exchange for cash. 24 hours have passed. The story is moving off the headlines on most of the media, unfortunately, and it appears the members of parliament are going to get off. I can say this with all responsibility, Manoj Jha, that in any other country in the world, an incident like this would have happened and it would have rocked the government and the political establishment. But perhaps we have become so used to corruption that we want to move on. We'd rather go to petty party politics than talk about an issue as this. Manoj.
Arnav, I just wanted to clarify that somebody like me, who is seeking a political entry in the parliamentary democracy, I must tell you and must confess that these kind of expose depresses me and tells me that probably people like me are unfit to enter. So that's the first part. I also believe that it only has unmasked probably which was always the ugly reality of some of the conduct of our parliamentarians. But secondly,
let me ask you this,
more
Manoj.
I would like you to focus on that we are living in.
Manoj, if I were to ask you,
please, Arnav.
if an RJD, a member of parliament, would have been caught in this kind of a compromising situation, I think RJD is not there. And if your party had taken no action or inaction or pretended to do something and then not done anything, would you have remained in that party, Manoj?
Arnav, I would have quit. And I tell you, there could be an occasion that one of my members could be caught tomorrow. I don't see that my party or any other. It's about the entire political spectrum. I must tell you this, that if parties are not able to take decision on these kind of expose and they don't want to
Then parties you agree have no right to exist.
Can I just...
No, would you say such parties have no right to exist? And claim to serve
I believe that parties should realize that India is changing.
Right.
And they must deal with the message. Don't shoot the messenger.
Wonderful.
Don't shoot the messenger.
No. Now wait,
If you
Manoj.
try to shoot the messenger...
Now, 1 minute, Manoj.
Whether it is
1 minute,
stalking or snooping.
Manoj, wonderful. I like your idealism. There is a person called...
Yeah, sure.
Manoj Kumar Bhuiyan, who was expelled from Parliament on the Kashf query in 2007. He was taken back into the RJD in May of this year. And he was taken back at a function by the RJD's Jharkhand legislature party, Annapurna Devi. And you know what she said? She said that his comeback would help strengthen the party in the state ahead of the elections. Your party... No. Are you going to resign in the next 5 minutes just so that you stand by those idealistic comments you made? Am I right, Ajay? Did this happen? Ajay, is it true?
Before my
No, is this true?
Arna, before my resignation, take my words also.
Now you're going to go back on your words like all
please allow me to make my point.
Am I right? Did this happen or not happen?
No, I am not going back. I have never gone back on my words, Arnab.
Then resign.
Arnab, I refuse to take it. I have never gone back. I am a person of conviction.
Resign, because I told you
I live
if
with
a
my
party
conviction.
takes back a person
And
or
I
takes
don't
no
take
action, then you should resign from that party. Then you should resign from the RJD.
Can you please allow me? I have started working for this party in 2010. And let me tell you, Arnab, if you are driven by this self-righteousness, even I am driven by self-righteousness. I also have my views. Please, Arnab, don't conduct debate in this manner.
You see, this person was suspended in 2005 and expelled for his alleged involvement in the Kashf query sting and then taken back before the state elections. Come on. Stand by your word.
I do know this entire story, Arnab, but allow me to take my position.
You must understand this,
politics
I have nothing
for me is not
you.
my career.
No, I have nothing against you.
Politics for me is not my career.
No, I have nothing against you, but what I have just exhibited here is all parties are the same when it comes to these issues. What do you think, Bejon? What do you think, Mr. Subramaniam?
Absolutely. Arnab, you have hit the nail on the head. All the political parties need to develop a code of conduct which is very transparent, which is prompt, which gives immediate kind of a value, it's credible. You see, just now as you saw, one Manoj says something and then now he's backing out. So you have to be strong enough. You have to say very strongly that look, I stand by these values. I will be in the political system only when I stand by these values. You have to understand it's not the question of which year and when you were involved. It's the question of the value system within the political party. You have to create a political party which has a value system. You have to work towards that. You have to demonstrate that. You see, we had tall leaders in the past. I saw on a drop of a hat they will put in their resignation. They would always stand by the values. You see, those days are gone. We don't see them happening now. Why is it? What is the reason? Why are we getting towards that place?
This is the question I'm putting.
Us go there?
No, this is the question that I'm putting to Sudhanshu Trivedi. That Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, LK Advani said on September 28, 2012, and I have his comment, Manoj, listen to the voices today. Today you will be called up to task. Every sentence you have spoken in the past will be pulled out and you will be reminded of your own party and your individual public records. This is not about you, Manoj. This is about getting accountability for the system. It's easy to say that Cobra Post is biased. But what about the issue that Cobra Post has brought to the fore? Sudhanshu Trivedi, your party leader, LK Advani, said that the BJP is, much of the public anger is today due to the UPA's corruption scandals. The BJP is known as a party committed to probity in politics and governance. This is the BJP's USP. My question to you, Mr. Trivedi, is if you take no action following this thing and only question Cobra Post, will you continue to have that USP?
There are two aspects in this episode. One is the act of MPs, another is the act of Cobra Post. Now I will come to first, the act of MPs. In no way party is going to defend the act of those MPs. The act of MPs is unpardonable. but we want to get the entire document and we want to clarify through our discipline committee, and we will take stern action, which I can assure, because the crisis of credibility which is being created in Indian politics is deepening by these type of acts. But by saying this, the act of Cobra Posts cannot be done away with. This I am saying with firm conviction. Their brothers, let me complete. They have just few months back.
Cobra Post should not be exposing. Cobra Post should not be doing any investigations. Cobra Post should not.
One minute, let me complete.
No, Anirudh is countering you, sir.
They tried to encircle our prime ministerial candidate. Their brother Tehelka has brought our then President Bangaru Lakshman. But I would like to ask, how many leaders of this stature they have targeted to Congress when numerous dozens of scams came and they were convicted by the court, but there was not even a single reverberation even from Cobra Post? Is it not enough that the act of Cobra Post is a certain other thing and the act of MPs on other thing? Act of MPs is condemnable and party will take appropriate action. But by this, Cobra Post cannot be considered as a harbinger of truth or harbinger of probity. They can be harbinger of a vested interest.
Name the vested interest. Name the vested interest. Sudhanshu Trivedi, name the vested interest. I am telling you,
quite
name
clear
the
for
vested
so many examples I have given.
No, name it. Name it. Make the accusation.
I have already given so many examples. They just give an example of one corruption which they have unearthed to the level of union minister or the level of the prime minister or the level of the Congress president or anybody of that stature.
So, okay,
just let me know and then I will withdraw my word.
Okay, so I ask you that, let him answer that. The question is being asked repeatedly of you. Why have you not found a single major act of corruption against the senior Congress person, Anirudh? Have you not found or have you not tried? I think you need to respond very directly now to the BJP spokesperson who's putting that point to you the third time on this debate.
I think Arnab, it is very ludicrous to ask any journalist. They have every organization. If I ask Times now, how many stories have you done per se? Do you do stories based on reservations and quotas? Do you have a tarazu in your hand and say, 1 kilo story Congress ka ho gaya, 1 kilo story BJP ka hoga?
Absolutely not. You're right.
The investigation they are not pursued in this manner. Investigations are done with story ideas coming from your reporters. Investigations are done with the resources that are at your disposal. Investigation. If I start questioning mainstream media about the kind of stories they have or particular biases they have against particular parties or people, I could go on and on. But I don't want to make any accusations against any mainstream media. All I am saying is that it is very easy for affected parties, in this case, particular case, the BJP. I don't know why they have the sort of the eyebrows up and about, but it is very easy for them to make accusations that which sort of deflect the question away from the acts of their own MPs. The issue here is the acts of their own MPs. Let us discuss their facts, but they are not interested in discussing their facts. They want to throw mud at Cobra Post. They are welcome to throw mud at Cobra Post. I can assure you nothing will stick. But if you think that your sins are, your acts of omission and commission are going to get diluted because you will just throw unnecessary rubbish, which is not even rubbish, at Cobra Post or any media organization which exposes you, then you are strangely mistaken.
So the question is to Ajay.
Like that. Real life doesn't work like that.
The question is to Dr. Ajay Alok. How completely ironical, Dr. Ajay Alok, that the BJP and the JDU are at each other's throats a few months back on the issue of secularism and communalism. But today you are bound at the hip and you are fighting together when there are charges of alleged corruption against your members of parliament. What does this tell you, Dr. Ajay? That both of you are attacking Cobra Post.
Will you let me respond, please?
I am waiting.
No. Would you let me respond? I've been asking for time.
Yes, please do.
See, let me go one by one. Yesterday, when me along with Mr. Prakash ji were sitting with you, there was a topic that let us go through the letters written by the Member of Parliament.
Yeah.
I never said so. The BJP said so. I yesterday also said that today, first thing in the morning, we are going to issue a notice. We did that. Neither BJP, nor Congress, nor BSP, nor AIDMK, none of them have even issued a show cause notice. Now see, if you are keeping a yardstick of idealism, please have a yardstick of action-oriented program, what we do in our party, and we have done it. Now here I am not
Trivedi.
blaming Cobra Post. What they have done is an investigative journalism. But yesterday also I said, it also looks like an instigative journalism what they have done. Now again
No,
from the
both
Cobra
of
Post,
you.
if you are talking,
That's
and if
what
you are
I'm
talking
saying.
yardstick of
That's
idealism,
what I'm
my
saying,
very
that
simple
both
question
of you,
is, my very simple question is,
both of you have decided today that instead of
I
the
am not
members
accusing
of
Cobra
parliament,
Post. I am
you
not
both of you
accusing
want
Cobra
to
Post.
take on Cobra Post.
I am
How
not defending
wonderful.
my members of parliament.
How wonderful.
I am not defending.
No, then
I am
I'll
not
ask you
defending
this.
my member
No,
of
I'll
parliament.
ask you this. One
I am
minute.
simply saying.
1 minute. I'll ask
that
you this
my
and I'll
member
ask
of parliament,
Sudhanshu
if they have
Trivedi
done
this.
wrong,
No, 1 minute.
the stern action will be taken
No,
against
no,
them.
1 minute. I asked Sudhanshu Trivedi and both of you this. Right?
Now what I'm,
No,
what
1
I'm
minute,
trying
please.
to tell that
One
if
minute.
the Cobra Post come out with a kind of
No, 1 minute.
investigation.
1 minute. I reject this and today I'm firmly on the side of Anirudh on this. You see, I reject this whole attempt at trying to make the media an accused party. I can equally ask you this, that in June 2010, right, in the end of June 2010, Times Now did the CWG scam. Right? Neither Sudhanshu Trivedi's party nor your party came out and said, oh, you know what? How come you're targeting Kalmadi? Why don't you target a BJP leader? None of you did that then. Just because now it's before the elections, you didn't, Sudhanshu Trivedi didn't, Ajay, you didn't. Today you're seeing political motives, so how do you change the rules in
I'm
this
telling
context?
Cobra Post sting operation included all the party. Where I'm talking of only BJP.
Yeah, so then that's more reason for you
Because
to stop
I'm talking of all
targeting
the party.
Cobra Post.
What my question is that if we can respond to our member of parliament, why can't other parties do the same thing?
You're
Why the
making it
yardsticks are
you're
different
making
for
it
every other
political
party?
anyway. Let Sudhanshu answer that.
Oh, come on now.
First of all, you've done effectively
Whether it
nothing.
was Times
So don't
Now
say you've done
or
much.
whether it was any channel, and particularly Times Now, it has never been accused of getting a lopsided stories. You have equally balanced with all sort of allegations, all sort of issues, whether it was on one side or on the other side. But I am saying, in their last history of several years, I have raised certain questions. You let me know whether you have done it or not. I can quote some other examples also, like in Tehelka. There was
No,
one
are we
person whose
discussing
name was Mr.
Tehelka
Ram
today?
Kripal. He has written on the
No,
first
Tehelka
post,
and
which is
Cobra
available
Post are different
on internet.
organizations. Why are you bringing Tehelka into this?
No, that is different. But one minute, let me know. Let me complete. The fellow has written that he was asked to do a story on mining, and the story was kept with the editor. He has written on the internet. You can see it. And then it was negotiated by Mr. Tarun Tejpal.
But that
If the
you asked
allegation is
Tarun
wrong,
Tejpal.
you take stern action against
No, that you asked
him. If it is
Tarun
not-
Tejpal.
So
That is something you should ask Tarun Tejpal. You have access to him. It's a Goa BJP government. Pick up the phone, tell
So
Parikar to
what
ask
I
Tarun
was
Tejpal.
trying to say-
No, 1 second. I can equally ask you today.
That's
I can
what
equally
I am
ask you today. If
trying
you're,
to
if
say.
you're
One simple
alleging,
question
no,
for
if
you.
you're making an
Several
allegation.
years,
If you're
in
making
the
an
last
allegation that
several
your
years,
party
your
state government was being,
consistent
if you're saying your party state government was being blackmailed for any reason, you should have taken legal action against the media organization. Did you take legal action against the media organization then?
1 minute.
Why didn't you?
One minute.
Should
I
a
would like
case
to
not
say
be filed against
that
you
we
for
are not
taking
against
action?
media. It should not be interpreted as against media. We are just questioning the credibility and the intention of certain organizations like Cobra Post, who have done certain things in the several years on one side and not even a single the question which I asked
Anirudh,
on the other side.
Anirudh, this question, Anirudh, let me put it very bluntly.
Yeah.
I'll put it bluntly. I will not
Yeah.
say certain this, certain that,
Yeah.
because Sudhanshu is being careful. That they are trying to allege that you are, soft on the Congress party. Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi is, he's.
Oh, really?
He wants
Am I?
he wants to say it. He's not
If I
saying
was so
it. So
soft
give him
on
a
the
direct
Congress
answer
party,
on
first
that.
of all, it's a very first of all, it's an absurd question. It's no journalist with any self-respect would admit to anything like that, and if they admit to anything like that, they should leave journalism. We don't do journalism on that basis. Neither do you do, Arnab. Neither does any other journalist. Secondly, for the simple fact that if you just examine this story, if I was soft on the Congress, why would 2 Congress MPs figure there? But in any case, let me just explain to you how we went about this story. We don't do fishing expeditions. Journalists get inside information. They get sort of prior information about what is happening, and then they go to those places. The middleman in these cases led them to these MPs. It wasn't largely knock knock, how are you? Yeah, would you write some letter for me? It wasn't like that. We had the reporter had prior information and he went there. I mean, it's unfortunate for the party that the 3 BJP MPs whom the middlemen took to are basically such fancy that they agreed to write those letters. I mean, it's for them to answer that. Now, to obfuscate the issue, to hide behind that fact and sort of point fingers at media organizations, I mean, if I was so soft on the Congress MPs wouldn't have figured that. But in any case, I just simply debunk this argument that you should go about I mean, the whole thing was asked when Cash for Questions also happened in 2005 about caste and creed and so on. I mean, why didn't you go this way? Why didn't you go that way? I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, it's the story takes you where it takes you. And I'm constitutionally within my right. If there were 10 MPs of a particular party, it would happen in those 10 MPs. If it were 10 MPs of another party, it would happen like that. At the configuration, you don't sort of control the configuration of your investigation at all. I mean, sorry, this is kindergarten argument.
The bottom line is this, Anirudh. The bottom line is this, that it appears to me there is an all-party consensus, Mr. Subramaniam, on not taking any criminal action in this case. Because otherwise, this falls very much within the investigation that the CBI can do under the Prevention of Corruption Act.
I mean, it's the old story. You always go for the messenger.
Yes.
Arnab, I'm coming to that point now. This discussion was supposed to be about the tapes.
Exactly.
It has now come to the question of accusation against, he is speaking there defending himself, number one. Number two, is there any hint of any criminal act? Has anybody taken cognizance of this and seen whether investigation should be done or not? Why, if this happened to a chief secretary or to a director of income tax, this kind of a tape, true or not? False or not is a separate question. Would he or would he not have been suspended the same day?
Correct.
Why were these 10 people not suspended from the party and then take your action?
Answer him, Sudhanshu Trivedi, answer him, Ajay.
Etc. But clearly there is some prima facie evidence. If the evidence is wrong or doctored, let an independent agency come and look at it and say it's doctored. Correct. It is bad, it is incorrect. Fair enough, after that throw the book at Cobra Post or whoever you want to throw it. But now you assume that Cobra Post is wrong. You assume that the MPs did right, when all of us know this is what happens every day in every constituency all over India.
He's nailed it out there. That's the point, Ajay. You give a certificate. All your members of parliament today must be celebrating, Sudhanshu Trivedi, that, you know, our party is supporting us. This investigation is meaningless. Our party spokesperson are coming on national television.
We are the only party in this whole lot.
TSR Subramaniam has...
We are in the whole lot.
I think Mr. TSR Subramaniam has misinterpreted the thing.
In the whole lot yesterday, all the parties were there.
We are defending MPs. We are not saying that we are defending their act. We are saying that we will take appropriate action. If the thing comes
take first action.
First take action.
Suspension is no punishment. Suspension is no punishment.
Take action, he's saying. Take
Whatever
the
action is to be taken.
Suspension is no punishment.
Mr. TSR Subramaniam is a senior bureaucrat and he knows that the department decides which type of action. Our disciplinary committee will decide what action is to be taken after thorough investigation. I am not saying that we are defending. Again, I am clarifying you. We are not defending the act of those MPs if they are involved in corruption.
Why can't it be prompt?
We are raising, and we are not taking the shelter of Cobra Post.
No, why can't it be
one
probed?
Thing I want to say
why
that
can't
those
it be
who have
probed?
initiated the action, their intention seems dubious. This should also be accepted with the equal, you can say, equal opportunity.
No, where the equal opportunity,
both the things should be given equal weightage.
Where today?
It's not the case.
Please.
Some of the rival.
Please.
1 minute.
What rival?
If in the case of income tax,
Mr.
some of the rival company gives you
today I
actually
think
one company.
I do think that if today
they should be punished.
No,
but in that case the other company doesn't have the right to become the champion of austerity.
No, sir. Today, Manoj Jha, everyone will. Today, if your parties take action against these members of parliament, more people will support you. What you're worried about is that if you take...
Exactly.
Yes, we have
exactly.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
But then why do you lack the courage? Manoj, you've been unusually quiet on this debate. Was it because of that first chat that I had with you on the inaction against your own party person?
No, Arnab, it was not being unusually quiet. I simply feel that I would say that politics in India is changing, and whether it is my party or any party which do not raise the morality bar of the conduct, they'll be doomed. They'll be finished.
Okay.
That's it I wanted to convey.
Well, I thank you all very much for joining me on that debate.